Rey Bros Locksmiths is happy to announce 10 years of our providing exemplary service for the residents and businesses of Miami. 10 years. 10, man, that's a long time. 10 years of continuous service has given us an advantage in knowing what works best for our customers. Here at Locksmith in Miami, DFL, we have dedicated ourselves to providing Miami with unbeatable prices, reliable and consistent fast response times, and high quality workmanship. Our technicians go through vigorous training and are licensed and insured before we allow them to wear our uniform. All our techs understand how to operate and install all forms of hardware and security systems for residences, commercial properties, and vehicles. So call my Locksmiths in Miami, Florida. Technicians are some of the best technicians working in the Miami area, and several have over 20 years of experience. So call us right now at 786-319-4591.